Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an English accent. To begin, focus on the distinct vowel and consonant sounds that set it apart. Pay close attention to how words are formed in the mouth. Listening to native speakers is crucial for internalizing the natural flow and rhythm. Consistent practice, even for short periods, will yield noticeable improvements in your pronunciation and overall speech pattern. Let's dive into some key pronunciation shifts. First, remember to drop the R sound in words like car or teacher when it's not followed by a vowel. Next, articulate your T sounds crisply, avoiding the American D sound in words such as water. Finally, broaden your vowel, making words like bath sound more like bath to truly capture the accent. Beyond individual sounds, intonation and rhythm are vital. English accents often feature a more melodic, up and down intonation rather than a flatter delivery. Try to connect your words, making your speech flow more smoothly, almost like a song. Pay close attention to which syllables are stressed in words and how that affects the overall rhythm of a sentence. This will make your accent sound much more natural. Consistent practice is your best friend. Try dedicating 10 to 15 minutes each day to speaking aloud, focusing on the sounds and rhythms we've discussed. Immerse yourself in British media, watch films, listen to podcasts, and even try mimicking what you hear. This exposure will naturally refine your ear and your accent. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.